Owning a rental property in Pinellas County can provide strong opportunities for long-term income in one of the most competitive rental markets in the Tampa Bay area. Pinellas County is a market where success comes from pricing homes accurately, responding quickly to market changes, and placing qualified tenants who are a good fit for the property. Dennis Property Management helps Pinellas County rental owners protect their investments while keeping management simple, responsive, and reliable. We understand the local rental market across communities like St. Petersburg, Clearwater, Largo, Dunedin, Palm Harbor, Seminole, Tarpon Springs, Pinellas Park, and St. Pete Beach. Our team uses local market data and hands-on experience to help owners reduce vacancy, attract qualified tenants, and keep properties performing at a high level. Tenant screening is an important part of long-term rental success. We verify income, review rental history, run background checks, and use fraud prevention tools to help place residents who are financially qualified and likely to stay longer term. We also coordinate maintenance with trusted local vendors, helping owners keep properties in excellent condition while responding quickly when repairs are needed. Clear communication is central to our approach. Owners stay informed, confident, and comfortable knowing their rental property is being professionally managed. Learn more at dennispm.com or call our homeowner hotline at 813-948-5660 to schedule a consultation.